ka, di ka may sa tumapertadwa, umisang kakabsat.
We begin with Badog. To her, a true queen must be very clear about what she really wants. As Miss Ilocos Norte, she aims to make a difference, not just in her life, but also in the lives of others. She is full of dreams and wants the world to hear her voice because she is one proud woman of the North, a beacon of hope and a certified winner. Miss Badog. Banggi. She is the epitome of the transformation of pain to courage and strength. She had been exposed to a lot of challenges early in life and had found the strength to overcome them. To her, to be Miss Ilocos Norte is to become a pillar of support for women in society. Miss Banggi. Banna. She wants to speak up against the misconceptions about the true nature of pageants that have been prevented other women from showcasing themselves. If she wins, she will motivate all women to attain their full potential and break through misconceptions. Miss Banna. Batak City. She wants to use the title as her avenue to promote breast cancer awareness. She will anchor this act to patients and organizations promoting the same cause, extending it to clinical participation. As Miss Ilocos Norte, her ultimate aim is to have an empowered community uniting as one. Miss Batak City. Burgos. To her, the title of Miss Ilocos Norte means being the voice of the people. She believes that this will provide her with more opportunities to contribute to society, particularly to those families who have been struggling because of the pandemic. Miss Burgos. Corimao. She believes that winning the crown is both a beautiful and challenging moment, for it is a battle of hope and a responsibility. She wants to successfully achieve her advocacy and causes by being an empowered Ilocana who illuminates Ilocano values worthy of emulation. Miss Corimao. Dingras. She believes that the crown is destined for a woman who is self-assured, responsible, and influential, and she stands firm that she exudes all these qualities. The crown is her opportunity to inspire people to dream of a higher horizon because everyone deserves to be recognized in their own unique ways. Miss Dingras. Lawag City. To her, the responsibility to help her community stands not just in the midst of the pandemic, but also in the succeeding days. She believes that she is now ready to take her horizons to a wider perspective, not just as Miss Ilocos Norte, but also as a candidate for Miss Universe Philippines. Miss Lawag City. Pasukin. Being true to her intention to serve her fellow men is already a manifestation that she deserves to be the next Miss Ilocos Norte. As a graduating criminology student, she believes that she is already equipped with basic life support training, which is more than willing to impart to our people. Through this, there will be more people knowledgeable about basic life support concepts during a crisis. Miss Pasukin. Pinili. She has worked hard for the crown. Therefore, she believes she deserves to be Miss Ilocos Norte. She has been so passionate about promoting awareness that is relevant to every Ilocano. She uses her voice to spread cultural preservation, youth empowerment, and other significant advocacies like a true Miss Ilocos Norte. Miss Pinili. Sarat. She believes that winning is not just about the title, but earning the hearts of our people. She joined this pageant to be a catalyst of change by introducing and raising awareness of mental health issues. She affirms that our focus should be on providing safe places and vigorous mental health support to our people. Miss Sarat. Solsona. As Miss Ilocos Norte, she will put her whole heart into inspiring her fellow Ilocanos. reminding everyone that nothing is more important than taking a space in society. She believes that it is about time to step up from our comfort zones and let our people realize that we are the hope of the land and we should be empowered. Miss Solsona. Vintar. She is passionate about bringing equality for both men and women and is driven to have a full understanding of the problems that surround our community. If she wins, she hopes to raise awareness of mental health issues and pledges to be responsive to the essential needs of other people. Miss Vintar.
Isem, sulaing di ka sa kulang. Gayem, daklang nga pagpatulungan. Ba't naman bilubog mo, sarapain ka. Pagpipilit mo, di lumawagin, kanyang sapulin na. Di patem, di problema. Punasen taliday tamata. Umisip kakabsat, taluyong ket kagaya himasat at daman iti bagyo. Ikarikadwa nakasumango, ibagbagaken